Hi, welcome once again to my channel. This is Uke Emele from georginaworld.com. Welcome to my LinkedIn Profits review. LinkedIn Profits will be going up on sale tomorrow, being the 24th day of August. It is a software by Tom Loa. So in this review, we are going to look at this product, this software, what it does, its benefits, its features, and also its price and upgrades available, and also some wonderful bonuses, really insane bonuses I have put up together for this sale. So let us start from this sales page. This is the sales page of the product, and look at what it has to say. It says here, most profitable traffic solution in 2021. So this is one of the solutions to profitable traffics. If you need profitable traffics in 2021, then you have to pay attention to what this product have to offer. It says it's a one-click app that pays you $529 a day. It has a 100% done-for-you profit system. It's a clone our automated high-ticket commission system in 60 seconds. Put your links in front of 740 million hungry buyers, no experience needed. It runs on autopilot and a brand new tech for 2021. These are just some of the features that are available in these that you can find in this software. Let me take you to the dashboard. This is the member area of LinkedIn Profits. But before we begin to go through these features and the whole buttons and what its functions, I want to introduce you to the bonus I have really prepared for you for this sale. This is my insane bonus bundle. As you can see, Georgina's insane bonus bundle. And these bonuses are not going to stay long. It's just going to be available until Friday, the 27th of August, 2021. That's at exactly 11:59 p.m. After that, these bonuses will go down. So if you want to access this product, make sure you do that before this timer gets to 00. So you can see what are the bonuses. Let me show you the bonuses, introduce you to the bonuses I have made available for you. The first one is Stilt. So this one is Stilt is an application that will help you reach people's inbox using this system, so that your mails won't go into the spam and it will just go directly into their inboxes. This is what really going to help you, especially in your email marketing or in any business that involves email marketing. Secondly, I have another bonus. It's called SEO. You can boost your SEOs with this tutorial. It is also a product from John Armstrong, but I'm giving it out as a bonus in this sale. I have another bonus number 3 is called ClickBank. Learn how to master ClickBank. ClickBank is also one of our affiliate platforms like Warrior Plus and JVZoo. So, and it's also a platform where you market a lot of software products and digital products also. So if you want to really master ClickBank, then this software will really help you. I have also another bonus number 4, which is called Backlink Warriors. You can access these Backlink Warriors in the first 24 hours of the launch. This is going to be available in the first 24 hours. After that, it will go down. So if you click on the link, you'll get it before it goes down. Finally, I have also the bonus number 5, which is the special bonuses the vendor, that is Tom Loa, has given me to give out to the prospective buyers. So if you click on the link, you will access both the bonuses I have packaged and the one that the vendor has given me to give out to you. So how do you access this bonus? There is a link at the description section of this video. Just underneath this video, there is a section, a link there. Click on it and it brings you to this bonus page where you are watching. Then click on any of these yellow buttons here. If you click on any of the yellow buttons here, it takes you directly into the sales page of this product, which is here. Here is the sales page. Then in this sales page, you can see this yellow link here, this yellow button here that says get instant access now. Click on it and you have access, you have access to this product. Then when you do that, just go back to your Warrior Plus account. In this Warrior Plus account, there's a section here you can see where I circled here. Beneath where it says access your purchase, there's a section where this blue button, it says access affiliate bonuses. All these bonuses, both the ones the vendor have given me to give out to you and the other ones I have packaged for you, I will keep it. They will all be there waiting for you. So don't get this product without getting these bonuses, because these bonuses are really wonderful bonuses that are going to help you. So the next question is, how much is this product cost? What is the price of these products and what are the available upsells? First, they have the front end link in profit. That is the front end of it. This one goes for $17. This one gives you access to this powerful link in profit software and training models. You have now the upsell number one, which is called Unlimited. That is link in profit unlimited. It goes for $47, but a $37 downsell in this sale. This one, this upgrade lets you supercharge your link in profits extension with unlimited features, the ability to run unlimited campaigns and gain massive results. You have now also the upsell number two, which is called Maximizer. It goes for $97, but a $47 downsell in this sale. This one this upgrade allows takers to maximize your time doing what you love while we do all the hard work. It's almost like a done for you. Then you have the upsell number three, which is called Unlimited Traffic. It goes for $147, but a downsell of $67. This one is said the traffic is the lifeblood of any business, which is true, especially online business. And you will learn 3 secret traffic hacks that put us in front of this industry as one of the fastest rising marketers. And also we have the upsell number 4, which is called the Done For You upsell, which goes for $197, but a $97 downsell. This upgrade allows you to bank $1,000 per day, with high ticket commissions. Copy and paste the exact Done For You campaigns we use to generate 5 figures in 30 days. Done For You 10 funnels, Done For You 30 days email swipes will get. And also you have the fifth upsell, which is called Resellers Rights. It goes for $497, but a downsell of $97 in this sale. This upgrade gives you the resellers rights to link in profits. So then you have the last upsell here, which is upsell number 6, which is called Profiters. It goes for $67, but a $47 downsell in this sale. The takers of this upgrade will get lifetime access to an exclusive group of like-minded individuals who are driven to succeed online and grow as a community. So that is it. And here are some of the key benefits you get if you get this product. One, it is autopilot on tapped buyers. Autopilot on tapped buyers traffic from one of the world's most respected platform, which is LinkedIn. Brand new tech for 2021, and promote any link to thousands of hungry buyers instantly without paid ads. All traffic in 100% included for free. It's 100% included for free, and more. Then Done For You monetizing and so much. And then it also has a 30 days money back guarantee. That is what the product is all about. And here it says, let me also give you what this product says. What is it all about? It says the ultimate turnkey business in a box software for your subscribers that combines free traffic from LinkedIn. So the major thing here is it uses the platform LinkedIn here. which is also a major source of traffic. Together with the done for you monetization, say 5 offers are included, which people simply need to send the LinkedIn traffic in order to make money, plus a high ticket funnel that is proven to convert time and time again. So what are you waiting for? Grab your link today and start scheduling those emails. Guaranteed reciprocating awaits you. So this is what it has. So then let us go to the dashboard now to look at what the dashboard is all about. Good. So this is here is the dashboard. You can see I have access to this product. I'm using it already now. You can see that is here is the introduction. You can see here is installing the extension. It says if you, any of these, all these are played in the video. So each of them you click, you will watch it in the video here. That is it here. Welcome to LinkedIn Profits. That's the welcome note. That you have the installation extension, you have the LinkedIn Profits dashboard, LinkedIn Profits visits features, LinkedIn Profits record features, LinkedIn Profit group messages, and done for you campaigns, and elite campaign booster, and get your unfair advantage here. Then you have the upgrades that are available also here. You get them also here. Then I'm going to play the demo of these LinkedIn Profits to show you the LinkedIn Profit in action. So just sit calm and watch as I play the demo here.
Hey guys, welcome to LinkedIn Profits. This is the overview of what this training is all about and how to use this application and where to find what. We are tapping into 740 million users. LinkedIn has around 740 million users, and this is one of the leading social network where very few people have explored. What we have given for you guys is it's an automated tool that gets you free traffic from LinkedIn. Along with that, we are giving 5 offers which are proven that converts time and time again. The main thing you need to focus on the membership area is the dashboard, which pretty much explains what all the features we have in LinkedIn Profits, and everything is self-explanatory in these videos where you can't ever miss. The one more thing is we are giving this done for you campaigns, which will be given out here. Along with that, the most proven high ticket offer will be given here. Everything is explained in this module, so let's not waste time. Let's get into the dashboard and see what it all explains. See you in the next video. Thank you.
So that is the LinkedIn Profit in action. As you can see, it is now left for you to take the decision. So if you are convinced and you want to pick up this product, I will just suggest you click on the link below. That's the link below this video at the subscription section of this video. Then click on it and you get back to just click on the link below this video, and it brings you to this bonus page where you click on any of these yellow buttons. Then when you click on it, it takes you direct to the sales page where you click also and secure your products from here. As you can see, this is the sales page of this product. You can see also with testimonies and evidence of people who have made it from there. So just take decision, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also like our review, so that each time I bring you a review like this, you'll be able to get it immediately. Thank you so much, and hope to see you in the next review shortly.